6 Psychological Tricks to Command Respect Instantly. One of the most crucial components of any connection, whether it be one with your self-identity or another person, is respect. Treating individuals with respect entails respecting their thoughts, feelings, and opinions as well as their worth and ability. You might have felt disrespected by others if you frequently feel that you are being taken advantage of, disregarded, or treated less seriously. Do you wish there were a method to convince others that you are deserving of their respect? If you said yes, keep watching for some psychological tricks to quickly command respect. Number 1. Prolong your eye contact. Do you tend to glance elsewhere while speaking to someone instead of looking into their eyes? One of the most effective ways to show respect for another person is to maintain eye contact when you meet them. It can improve communication and perhaps give you a more important and sincere appearance. Making eye contact can increase your credibility and help people remember what you say. Try looking someone in the eye when they speak the next time you're conversing with them. You might experience a closer connection that will make you respect yourself. Number 2. Don't be scared to acknowledge your shortcomings. You may believe that in order to be respected, you must put on a front and try to conceal any indications of your frailty or weaknesses as much as you can. Making a mistake is the one thing that might make you appear less deserving of respect and acclaim, after all. However, the truth is frequently exactly the reverse. Overconfidence and overcompensation frequently cause others to believe you are concealing information or acting dishonestly. We are all human, thus people may not necessarily care about your flaws or mistakes. Instead, they might evaluate you based on your capacity for vulnerability and how you accept and handle your mistakes. By being honest about your shortcomings and addressing them head-on, you may exude confidence and win respect. Number 3. Give regular, sincere compliments. Whether it be a friend or an opponent, it's quite simple to become envious when you see others achieve. You might believe that there is always room for an excuse to disparage or undermine the achievements of others. Even so, you would continue to come out as envious and conceited, which are traits that might make you unpopular with other people. Respecting and praising people might help you get respect from others since it shows them that you are sincere and nice. Some people can take even the smallest compliment to heart, and they frequently remember your encouragement and reciprocate your regard in the future. Even just saying congratulations sincerely could go a long way. Number 4. Always present yourself well. This can entail picking a look that makes you stand out, dressing in a way that helps you feel more confident, and donning clothes that highlight the attractiveness of your body type. One of the simpler ways to get respect is to improve your initial impression. Number 5. Respond, not react. Everybody has a strong emotion or response to particular subjects or circumstances. Do you frequently respond to situations instinctively or emotionally, regardless of how they are? People with strong emotional control, who remain calm under pressure or excitement, are frequently highly regarded and liked. This is not to argue that you should repress your feelings in order to be respected, but rather that you should consider which emotions would be suitable to express in certain contexts. You might want to consider asking yourself, am I prepared to deal with the unexpected? Or, can concealing my feelings in this circumstance enable me to accomplish my goals? Number 6. Be a good listener. Do you know somebody who never stops talking? When you finally get a chance to speak, do they cut you off to talk about themselves or do they ignore you and change the subject to themselves? Does this individual seem respectable, especially in light of the fact that they don't value your opinion? You'd most likely reply a no to that. The ideas and viewpoints of everyone should be respected in order to foster a culture of respect for one another. You need to develop your listening skills to be able to command respect. Making others feel valued and well considered in this way may lead to them showing you the same respect and consideration in return. By summarizing and verifying their statements, or by introducing pertinent questions to further the discussion and give them a sense of your understanding, you can demonstrate that you are actively listening. You have it now. Keep in mind that showing respect to others is a necessary component of commanding respect. Just so you know, there are those people you'll run into who will never treat you with respect, regardless of the situation. It might be advisable in those situations to avoid folks who treat you disrespectfully, especially if you had previously shown them respect. Keep in mind that respect between two persons should be reciprocal. Remember that you always have the choice to eliminate someone out of your life and surround yourself with better people, if they are being difficult to you. Your mental well-being ought to come first. We sincerely hope that some of these techniques will enable you to command the respect you need and deserve. Thanks for watching.